So Umakumalo explained the finance Kwamseleka, and she has never asked money from Musamseleka. If there's one thing we need to do is to give Umakumalo her flowers. Umakumalo, she's this type of a wife. Instead of giving her money, you rather teach her how to make money. If you've been following Umusamseleko and Umakumalo, you have realized everything that Umusamseleko is doing, Umakumalo, she's following it. If Musamseleko is a TV presenter, Umakumalo is also a TV presenter. Even if you go and check Utano's Tembo production as well as Nganiza's Tembo production, you will find Umakumalo and Musamseleko as part of the production beside being cast members. So this is what Umakumalo has to say when it comes to money. We all work hard for the money. I don't even know how to ask him money from him. Maybe you should teach me. She went on to say that where is the money? We are living a normal life. I dated Msaleko and he did not give me money. I did not just meet him. I knew him before we even dated. He was a great man. But I did not say here is Msaleko quoting me and means the money is coming now. He started pursuing me when I was very young and it took me years to accept him. I was not attracted to him for his money. He said the TV personality said they all work for their money and she has never asked him money from Msaleko guys. So people have been saying that Umakumalo is the Begazelin girlfriend. She's from the Begazelin girlfriend to now the Begazelin wife. She's the understanding wife. If there's one thing that you need to look at Umakumalo, if there's one thing that you need to learn from Umakumalo, is to know that if you have a man that is very much in entrepreneur, construction, tender, even forex, whatever he's doing, you need to follow him. If you take the second step, you need to follow him. Compared to the other wives, Umakumalo, she's benefiting more than the other wives, guys. If you look at now, for example, if Musamseleko divorced Umakumalo, she's not gonna suffer. She understands the industry. She can even have a reality show alone. She's very smart. Besides holding a degree in business management, Umakumalo, she's so smart. So guys, now we know that last week Umakumalo was trending for saying Uguti she's a breadwinner. Some were defending her to say Uguti, hi guys, she's not a breadwinner. She's responsible for the finance Kwamseleko. You know, people were saying that Umakumalo needs to start living her best life. She's been saving Musamseleko. But if you look at the situation here, Umakumalo and Musamseleko from season 1 to now to season 8, yes, the guys, Umakumalo, she has more money. But if it was then for Musamseleko, I'm not saying that it was Musamseleko, but let's just to look at the situation here, Umakumalo and Musamseleko. It's a win situation. They build each other, these two. There's no such as Umakumalo was just sitting there looking Musamseleko building his empire. Umakumalo was also, as when she was busy supporting Umusa, she was also busy building her empire that a lot of women fails to do. A woman will say, I've been there with him for 20 years and there's nothing that you have done for 20 years. As a for Umakumalo, they could have said, yeah, uskupugeli, whatever they are saying about Umakumalo. If there's one thing that you need to take from Umakumalo is to be smart as a woman. Like you see this article, I feel like this article it was on for season, I think it was for season 5 when people were saying Umakumalo, she's here for the money. I still remember people came out for Umakumalo to say Umakumalo, she's marrying Musamseleko for money. Now the same people are saying Umakumalo needs to leave Musamseleko. That's when Umakumalo came out to say, where is the money? We are living a normal life. We all make our money. I've never asked money from Musamseleko, guys. So guys, yeah, it is what it is, guys, because Umakumalo has been trending. People have been saying, yeah, Umakumalo, she's paying for everything. Umakumalo, she's not living her best life. The other wives are jealous of her. You know, there's a lot of drama that is coming since Uthandana's Tembo season 8 started, guys. Some are saying that the reason why Umakumalo she's not happy this season is because of wife number 5. As for wife number 5, guys, she holds a diploma information and management. Probably she has a job, guys. She's a smart woman, so there's no way that obviously it's a bonus, you know. So guys, it is what it is. So what do you think about Umakumalo when she said that she has never asked him money from Musamseleko? Guys, Abo Umakumalo are so smart. Abo Umakumalo, they know what they are doing. You know, you would think sitting here feeling sorry for Umakumalo, guys. Umakumalo, she knows exactly what she's doing. She knows that, you know what, I can run the reality show alone. That's how smart she is. Anyway, guys, to make a conversation, what do you think about this? If there's one thing that I'll advise you in 2025 as a woman, even if you don't like school, maybe you're struggling in life, but if you do have a partner that is doing well, even if it's the forex, guys, allow that partner to teach you. Even if it's selling snacks or anything, just allow your partner to teach you so that you can have an income, guys. Sometimes you just need to copy, guys. It's not that deep. Sometimes there's no need for you to think harder and study so many degrees, diplomas, certificate. You just need to copy from your next door. Even your sister, if you see something you like and your sister is doing it, copy, guys. 2025, you're just gonna uplift yourself. Anyway, guys, it is what it is. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Tuesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.